Welcome to our channel. If you want to change privacy settings on your Samsung Galaxy to protect your personal information and control app permissions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Privacy to access privacy-related settings. Step 3. Review the privacy dashboard to see which apps have accessed your location, camera, microphone, and other sensitive data. Step 4. Tap on Permission Manager to view and modify app permissions. Step 5. Select a permission type, such as camera, microphone, or location to see which apps have access. Step 6. Tap on an app and choose whether to allow, ask every time, or deny the permission. Step 7. Go back to Privacy Settings and select Ads to manage advertising preferences. Step 8. Toggle on Opt-out of ads personalization to limit targeted advertising. Step 9. Scroll down and tap on Samsung account or Google account to review account-related privacy settings. Step 10. Enable two-factor authentication and review connected devices for added security. Step 11. Return to Settings and select Location to control location tracking and toggle off location access if not needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.